I'm just reading the comments on the happiness guide by Vivek Bhargava. He ran a 1800-person digital marketing agency, and today he talks to the internet moguls about happiness. Thank you, Vivek, for today's Thursday masterclass on happiness in entrepreneurship. What was the biggest learning from today's session? And I am just trying to read all the comments of all the students, all the participants. First is Rutu Amaliar. Life is to celebrate happiness, and entrepreneurship gives an amazing opportunity to grow and get rid of limiting beliefs and grab supporting beliefs from everywhere. Now Pratibha Huda says increase your happiness baseline. Very good. Now Radha Shalini next. The biggest learning from today's session is happiness is the key to success. Work on limiting beliefs. Give more always. Give more always. Increase baseline levels. Jay Harish says serve the value, provide solutions. That is the real happiness. Harshit says, why do I charge more? I don't know. I am just proud of my service. It is up to you. You want Rolls Royce or Maruti? दीपक शर्मा सेज हैप्पीनेस ब्रिंग सक्सेस. लोग आपके बारे में नहीं सोचते. बी प्राउड ऑफ व्हाट यू आर. नाउ भावना खरजाई अग्रवाल. एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर कीप लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू एवरी डे. Be it big or small, just keep the hustle alive. Astha Tatya. Lesson learned rather reinforce. Limiting beliefs are at the source of how you are feeling and behaving. Identify them and replace them with forwarding ones. Nirupama. Happy organizations are successful organizations. Pragya Arora. Believe your sales pitch. Happiness is a muscle. Be happy to be successful. Have an empowering belief system. Rajesh Gupta. Give value if you charge high. Ricky. Happiness first. Success would follow. खुश रहना है बस, as told by Avi and revalidated by Vivek. Shweta says, try to work for your happiness and don't think कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. ऐस कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. नाउ स्मिता प्रवीण. लव दिस हैप्पी ब्यूटिफुल सेशन. हैप्पीनेस ब्रिंग्स यू सक्सेस. डू वट एवर मेक्स यू हैप्पी. पीपल शुड हैव वैल्यूज, बिलीव्स एंड कल्चर. डूइंग गुड brings happiness. No matter what, don't let your confidence waver. Ishan Sharma. If I fail, I won't die. Meet people, listen to them genuinely, and have a 20-year agenda. Increase your baseline happiness. Sleep adequately, exercise, meditate. Be mindful of your life. Rituraj. Your success depends on your happiness. You can share with others what you have. Get rid of limiting beliefs and be humble whatever level you are. Sameer Bhargav. Stay away from the negative thoughts. लोगों का काम है कहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. This song is getting popular in this the comments. Everyone is writing this line of this song, popular song. Love what you do and love yourself. My own comments. Happy people create happy organizations. Key to success is happiness, and exercise, meditation and proper sleep is key to happiness. Now Mrunal Savan. Great session by Vivek. Learning from today's session is be happy to be successful. Rachna Mathur. Today's learnings are nobody has time to think about you. Only you have time for yourself, and hence don't focus on what people will say. Accept yourself and create false deadlines to overcome procrastination. Be confident and do not compromise your price. Do build long client journey and continue to add value till you ask in return. Do not offer your card, instead add value so that you are asked for the card. Now, Priya Gandhi says, today's session with Vivek was power packed. My biggest takeaway was regarding sharing the business card. I never looked at it from this perspective. It is so important to strike a conversation with people and introduce yourself, and only if the other person values your time and genuinely interested will they ask for your visiting card. Otherwise, it's only a useless piece of paper. Now, Neeta says, thank you so much, Abhijit Arya sir, for this wonderful session and to bring so much value to the community. My learning from today's session are at any level you cannot remove sales from your portfolio. These are There are two phases, growth phase and stability phase. I am going to make myself happy every single second of my life. The biggest question you ask yourself is, how much do you love your life which you have? Beliefs is equal to action. Money, trust, liability. Happiness is a muscle. Do take actions every day and do empowering beliefs bit by bit, day by day, every day. It's a slow process, but once you reach there, you will be happy. To handle procrastination, create false deadlines to complete the goal you have decided. Thank you once again, Avi sir and Vivek sir. I think few more comments. Is there any comment there? Yes, there are comments. Paul Sandy, don't judge your own credibility by others' opinion. Don't undercharge your own products, rather than 10x value to your client's problems. We must be happy to be successful. Sleep, exercise, and meditate. Now, Prem Nirmal says, happy people are more successful. Happy people create happy organizations. Sleep, exercises, meditation, nutrition, and happy habits. I think this is the end of the comments which are given on yesterday's session. I am stopping here. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off for now. It has taken 7.5 minutes to read all the comments. I'll be posting it in the group. Thank you. Bye.